How to fix TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter disconnecting constantly. Step 1. Disable power saving for the Wi-Fi adapter. This should be the first fix because TP-Link specifically recommends it for unstable connections. Go to Device Manager, Network Adapters, TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter, Properties, Power Management, and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK and restart your PC. This prevents Windows from powering down the adapter to conserve energy. Step 2. Update or reinstall the TP-Link driver. Check the adapter itself for its exact model and hardware version, such as Archer T3UV1 or T2UV3. Then download the latest compatible driver from TP-Link. Step 3. Try another USB port. For a USB TP-Link adapter, unplug the adapter, connect to another USB port, reconnect it to Wi-Fi, and test it. Connect it directly to the computer rather than through a USB hub while troubleshooting. If Windows itself occasionally makes the adapter disappear, this step becomes particularly important. TP-Link recommends another USB port, and even another computer, to determine whether the adapter or USB connection is responsible. Step 4. Test 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz separately. If your adapter is dual band, test both bands. 5 GHz disconnects, but 2.4 GHz works. Range or interference may be the problem. Both bands disconnect, driver, adapter, Windows, or router configuration becomes more likely. TP-Link specifically includes checking whether instability occurs in 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, or both in its troubleshooting procedure. Step 5. Improve signal and reduce Wi-Fi interference. Temporarily move the computer closer to the router and see whether the disconnections stop. You can also try changing your router's Wi-Fi channel. For 2.4 GHz, channels 1, 6, and 11 are common non-overlapping choices. TP-Link recommends experimenting with a wireless channel and channel width when troubleshooting an unstable adapter. If moving closer fixes everything, the adapter probably isn't randomly failing. You likely have a signal or interference problem. Step 6. Test the adapter with another network. Finally, enable your phone's mobile hotspot and connect the TP-Link adapter to it. Use it for a while and watch for another disconnection. Stable on hotspot, investigate your router and home Wi-Fi. If it disconnects on hotspot too, investigate the TP-Link adapter, driver, USB port, or Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.